Hello students, in this video we will take one numerical problem related to previous topic. Find root under integration of root under x square plus 2x plus 5 into dx. We start to write here a solution of this. I equal to integration root under x square plus 2x plus 5 into dx. First, we should be change this into the perfect square. So this will be, or we can convert this x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 4 also into dx. Now from here to here, you can see that this is the whole square of x plus 1. That means this will be is equal to root under x plus 1 whole square plus 4, we can write square of 2 into dx. Now put x plus 1 equal to t, therefore dx equal to dt. So this will be equal to integration root under t square plus 2 square into dt. Again, this is in the form of t square plus means a root under x square plus a square. That means, as you know that formula for, I write here, since integration root under x square plus a square dx equal to x by 2 into root under x by 2 into root under x square plus a square upon 2 plus a square upon 2 into log of x plus root under x square plus a square plus c. This is the formula. So on the place of x we are given t and on the place of a given 2. Therefore this will be equal to t upon 2 into root under t square plus a square plus a square upon 2. A means 4, 2 square, a means 2, so this will be 2 square, so a square upon 2, that means 2 square upon 2 into log of x plus a. X means t plus root under t square plus 2 square means like this plus c. Now on the place of t we can replace x plus 1, then this will be x plus 1 whole upon 2 into root under x plus 1 whole square, sorry here 2 square, this will be 4 plus this is the cancel, so 2 into log of on the place of t x plus 1 plus root under this will be x plus 1 whole square plus 4 plus c. This will be equal to x plus 1 whole upon 2 into root under. If we expand this, then this will be equal to x square plus 2x plus 5. So this will be x square plus 2x plus 5 plus 2 into log of x plus 1 plus this will be also equal to x square plus 2x plus 5. So we write here root under x square plus 2x plus 5 plus c. This will be your answer. Now in the next video we will take another topic.